Which is the major port in Karnataka? Answer is New Mangalore Port. What is the state animal of Karnataka? Indian elephant. What is the state bird of Karnataka? Indian ruler. Which is the highest peak in Karnataka? Mullayanagiri. What is the total number of districts in Karnataka? 31. What is the state animal of Karnataka? Indian elephant. Who was the first Chief Minister of Karnataka? K.C. Reddy. When was Karnataka formed? 1st November 1956. When was Mysore state renamed as Karnataka? 1st November 1973. What is the capital of Karnataka? Bengaluru. Which Indian states surround Karnataka? Goa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Total 6 states. What is the official language of Karnataka? Kannada. What is the state tree of Karnataka? Sandalwood. What is the official dance of Karnataka? Yakshagana. Who wrote the Karnataka anthem? Kuvempu. The Jog Falls is located on which river? Sharavati. The Hampi city is located on the bank of which river? Tungabhadra. Which town is known as the Silk Town of Karnataka? Ramanagara. Who is known as the Tiger of Mysuru? Tipu Sultan. Which river is known as the lifeline of Karnataka? Kaveri. Which sea is located to the west of Karnataka? Arabian Sea. What is the state flower of Karnataka? Lotus. Name the famous beach town in Karnataka. Gokarna. Who was the first woman governor of Karnataka? V.S. Ramadevi. What is the total area of Karnataka? 1,91,791 km square. Which is the largest city in Karnataka? Bengaluru. What is the state code of Karnataka? KA. Which river forms the Jog Falls? Sharavati River. Which are the two main river systems of Karnataka? Krishna and Kaveri. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Bengaluru. What is the capital of Karnataka? Bengaluru. Which act was passed when Karnataka was formed? States Reorganization Act. What is the Karnataka state emblem? Gandaberunda. What is the song of Karnataka? Jai Bharata Jananiya Tanujate. Which is the smallest district in Karnataka? Bengaluru Urban. Which is the biggest district in Karnataka? Belagavi. What is the new district name of Karnataka? Vijayanagara, 31st district. Which district has the highest forest area in Karnataka? Uttara Kannada district. How many divisions are there in Karnataka? 4 divisions. What are the 5 national parks of Karnataka? Anishi National Park, Bandipur National Park, Bannerghatta National Park, Kudremukha National Park, Nagaravale National Park. What is the tagline used to promote tourism in Karnataka? One state, many worlds. Where is the Kaiga Atomic Power Station located? Uttara Kannada district. Which dynasty ruled the Vijayanagara Empire? Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva, Aravidu. Where is the famous ISRO headquarters located? Bengaluru. Name the capital of the ancient Vijayanagara Empire. Hampi. Which river flows through Hampi? Tungabhadra River. Name the famous IT park in Bengaluru. Electronic City. What is the full form of KLA? Karnataka Legislative Assembly. What is the full form of KLC? Karnataka Legislative Council. What is the types of legislature of Karnataka? Bicameral. Thank you for watching this video.